Yo, what's up guys? So welcome to my channel DJ Kid. In today's video, just wanted to give you a quick update on the crypto space at the moment. Just take a look at some of the events that are going on and just really touch on some of the tokens that I'm buying at the moment, so DCAing into, and just look at the technical side of things, so do a bit of TA on those coins. So yeah, let's get straight into it. So if we take a look at the market at the moment, currently trading at 890 billion in terms of the whole market space. That's down 1% in the last 24 hours. So you can see here a lot of the coins are down. So Bitcoin's down 1%, trading below 17,000 again, and a lot of the other coins, a lot of the other major altcoins are down as well. So ETH back down to 1.27. You've got some of these other big coins. Dodge is down 3%. Polkadot is down, so pretty much a red bearish day in the market as a whole. However, the market did pump on Wednesday, so yeah, the market did pump off the back end of the Fed talking about slowing down the rate hikes. So if we take a look at this article here, Bitcoin and Ethereum jump as Fed chair signals slowing rate hikes. So Jerome Powell came out on Wednesday and said that the rate hikes going forward will be less aggressive. Previously, they were upped by 0.75%. If I just find that down here somewhere, where was it? So yeah, you can see here it was up by 0.75%. Going forwards, they were talking about a 0.5% increase rather than the 0.75%, and obviously that was bullish for the market as a whole. So I guess off the back end of that, Fear and Greed Index is now trading at fear rather than extreme fear. So you can see here, yesterday was fear as well. So it's a step up from the extreme fear that we were seeing a few days ago, and again that's off the back end of the Fed making the announcement yesterday. So that's pretty much the update on the market space at the moment. If we take a look at the charts. So I'm looking at all of these on the daily. So Bitcoin at the moment. So here you can see I put in a trend line, and the RSI is kind of signaling an overbought position. So you can see here Bitcoin is literally touching this trend line and probably making its way back down again. So it might just drop down slightly to a level of resistance, which might be 15.4k, or even roughly about 16.4k to start with. It could bounce from the 16.4k and go back up again, or it could just continue down to the 15.4k level. That's kind of what I'm seeing at the moment, and you can see here Bitcoin is currently trading against this 20 EMA. Oops, so let me get rid of that. Don't want to see that. So you can see here the 20 EMA was kind of the resistance level. We broke that slightly. We touched the trend line and we're probably headed back down now again. Worst case scenario, 15.4k, and we'll probably just bounce around this region until we end up breaking that trend line, hopefully. And then I guess the next level of support will be the 50 EMA, which is roughly around 18k. So that's kind of how I'm seeing Bitcoin playing out at the moment. I think we will see a little, a bit of a downside here, and then potentially a continuation to the upside. Ethereum on the other hand, so ETH, I've just put in a few trend lines here. You can see ETH has been kind of bouncing around these trend lines. So you can see it was trading in between there. Stochastic is also showing kind of higher end of the overbought, so it needs to reset on a downwards trend. This trend line that I drew in here, which is a slope going down. So you can see yesterday we perfectly touched that trend line, and today we're literally making a move back down again, it looks like. So yeah, we could potentially come back down to this this level, which is the 20 EMA, as a kind of support level. Maybe bounce back up from there. If not, it will just end up going down to maybe 1.2k, and then just kind of bouncing around that triangle there. Or even if we do break that 1.2k, then next kind of levels are 1.1 and so on. But if we do break this trend line, so this trend that we see here, if we do break that, so which is roughly about 1290, if we break that 1290, we could continue on up to 13, and then after 1.3, you know, the next kind of levels are a lot higher, is how I'm seeing it. But at the moment, we've kind of hit that trend line, probably bounced down before, I guess, continuing up to the upside after that. Solana, on the other hand, again on the daily, we're kind of trading within this range at the moment. So you can see here for the past at least like couple of weeks or so, we've been kind of ranging between $11 and roughly $15, or yeah, close to $15 at least. And we're trading below all major EMAs at the moment. So we're below the 20 EMA. You can see that 20 EMA is basically the resistance level at roughly about, what is that? So that's about $15. So, you know, we'll probably end up hitting that as another point of resistance. But if we can break that level, then I guess the next level up is $19. But at the moment, we're kind of just ranging in this kind of range here. So I think we'll probably hit 15 and maybe drop back down again. Although the stochastics, we've got the crossover, but it looks like we're sloping up again. We need a crossover back down, and then you'll see the price drop down from that point onwards. But at the moment, I think, yeah, we'll end up maybe dropping a little bit and then bouncing around this kind of range that we're in at the moment until obviously there is a breakout. If we take a look at, so Casper is another coin that I'm literally DCAing on at the moment. I'm mega bullish on Casper in the longer term. I think it's got fantastic technology behind it, also used by a lot of enterprises at the moment. Literally, we've got the reset here on the RSI, so the price is actually dropping down. So you can see here, RSI is down, coming back into the range of 80, and yeah, so it's kind of resetting from a overbought position. And you can see here, we literally touched the 20 EMA as a resistance level, and we're kind of dropping down from that point. So we might end up coming back down to the 0.026 level, currently at 0.029. I know it's only a matter of like fractions, but yeah, we'll probably end up dropping back down to the 0.026 and then maybe continuing back up from there. However, if we do break the 20 EMA, then I guess the next level of support is roughly the 50 EMA, which is going to be 0.03. So yeah, pretty much 3 cents, 0.033. But like I said, with Casper and a lot of these other tokens, really, I'm bullish on them for the longer term. So at these levels, you can't really go wrong. So DCAing is probably a good shout right now. Link is another coin that I'm majorly bullish on. They've just released, or they're going to be releasing their staking, and tokenomics have been improved. So yeah, you know, you got to have Link in your portfolio. And like I said, nothing that I say is financial advice, but I'm mega bullish on Link for the long term. You can see here, you know, after the kind of tokenomics were sorted out, you can see that we were ranging upwards. We broke like the 200 EMA, and we did have a drop. You know, obviously all tokens were down at one point, and since then we're, you know, going back up again, because I think it's kind of close to the launch of Chainlink staking. So I think that might be on 6th of December. I'll do some further research on that and obviously drop a video for you guys. But yeah, you know, at the moment I'm bullish on Link, to be honest. So I'm literally DCAing at these levels. Price at the moment, as we kind of said, you know, it's breaking the 20 EMA, breaking the 50 EMA, and yeah, you've got a bit of a kind of a bit of an overbought position on the RSI. So it might be a case that we drop back down to you know, to around roughly $7 before continuing back onto the upside. But yeah, like I said, longer term, Chainlink is definitely one that I'm loading up on. Huge project, huge fundamentals, and majorly crucial for the crypto space, being an oracle, or at least the most I guess the most connected oracle. So it's the oracle that basically is used by a lot of the other enterprises out there. Major partnerships, great project. But yeah, guys, that was just a quick update for you guys. let me know what you think about these tokens. Let me know what you're buying, and yeah, I'll keep the videos coming. Hit me up in the comments, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.